Get ready to be amazed. This magnificent 4,700 square foot, 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath gallery custom home is here. As you enter this gallery custom home, you can't help but gaze at its remarkable grand entryway with curved staircase, hand-scraped hardwood flooring, and high vaulted ceilings. The wide-open living area leads to a Texas-sized stone fireplace, which is adjacent to the dreamy kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, large chef's island, and dual ovens with stainless steel appliances. The master suite includes high ceilings and great architectural window designs. As you walk in the master bath, you'll notice fine granite countertops, a walk-in shower, dual vanities, a deep garden tub, and walk-in closet. This Palomar floor plan includes 2 separate staircases which lead up to a large game room with adjacent theater room for those fun movie nights with friends or family. Right off the game room, you'll find a large optional covered balcony. The second floor includes large bedrooms and closet space for the entire family to enjoy. Downstairs, you'll find a large study area and dazzling dining area for those formal family occasions. Gallery Custom Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every Gallery Custom Homes community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.